Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. CytoSorbents reports second quarter 2026 financial results, recent business highlights, and regulatory update. CytoSorbents Corporation reported its second quarter 2026 financial results, with revenue remaining unchanged at $9.6 million. The company saw improvements in gross margin to 73% and operating loss decreasing by 27% to $2.6 million. What are the functions of ministries in a country? Part 3 by Usman Sarki. The article discusses the functions of ministries in a country, citing a British comedy series Yes, Prime Minister as an example. The show's character Dorothy Wainwright argues that certain government departments have become ineffective and obsolete, serving only as a graveyard for their original purpose. Yale Economic Growth Center joins new initiative for climate economics. The Yale Economic Growth Center joined the Economics of Climate organization CITO, an initiative launched by COP30 President Andre Carrera do Lago to apply advances in economics and finance to build scalable climate solutions for high and low-income countries. Pyecos added to PyPI. Pyecos has been added to the Python package index PyPI. Best cloud mining platforms for Bitcoin mining in 2026. Bitcoin cloud mining platforms allow users to mine without investing in expensive ASIC rigs, transferring operational problems to a provider. Ranked for U.S. users, the top platforms include BitFuFu, Bitdeer, NiceHash, and Ecos, prioritizing verifiable infrastructure, clear fees, realistic contract terms, and confirmed U.S. access. Ecos warns ESPR risks of relying on consumer data in green fashion push. The European Consumer Summit Ecos has warned that the Environmental Protection Agency's ESPR push to promote green fashion may rely too heavily on consumer data, potentially raising environmental and privacy concerns. Should we have a liberal democracy or an authoritarian cult of personality? Social scientists distinguish between ideological and affective polarization, with the latter being characterized by negative feelings towards those who disagree on political beliefs. This affective polarization can lead to dampening debate and critical thinking, hindering productive conversations and political tolerance. Field-to-forest fungal spillover is a biotic edge effect of coffee in Costa Rica. Researchers discovered a previously unknown phenomenon, where fungal spillover from coffee farms to surrounding forests occurs in Costa Rica, driven by the biotic edge effect of coffee cultivation. This finding highlights the complex interactions between agriculture and ecosystems. Pyecos 0.2.0. The Pyecos library has released version 0.2.0, an update that allows users to enable JavaScript in their browsers to proceed with site functionality. Ecos warns ESPR risks of relying on consumer data in green fashion push. The Economic Cooperation Organization Ecos warns that the European Space Agency's ESPR reliance on consumer data in its green fashion push poses risks. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.